Hey everybody, Jason from MOXC here. Brand new, exciting ATV XC racing series here in Michigan, Outlaw cross country. We're out here today checking out some property, looking at a place to potentially hold a race or two next year. Got a lot of stuff in the works, guys. It's gonna get exciting real quick. We got Zoom, Richard and Miles and David here. We're gonna go out and ride around a little bit, see what we can come up with out here. Got some other property we're gonna look at a later date. I'm telling you, if you're not a part of MOXC yet, you're gonna wanna be.